Why is burping a baby important? How do I burp my baby? What is the best position for winding my baby? These are some of the questions that come in the mind of most parents who have small newborn babies. These videos are going to be beneficial for all those parents who have newborn babies, and these problems normally come in front of them. Stay with me till the last in this video. Why is burping a baby important? As your little one swallows their milk during a feed, they will inevitably take in some air as they are at it, which can be uncomfortable for your baby. To stop the discomfort, these bubbles need to come up, which is why you need to wind your baby, as it helps them to burp out the gas. What is the best position for winding my baby? There are three main positions that are good for burping a baby. Burping a baby lying on your lap. Lay your baby across your lap so they are facing down. Make sure you have one hand gently supporting their chin, but without putting any pressure on the throat. Burping a baby over your shoulder. Pop your baby's chin on your shoulder and support their shoulder and head with your free hand. Burping a baby sitting on your lap. Have your little one sitting on your lap so they are facing away from you. Then gently lay your free hand flat against their chest to support the jaw and chin. Then lean your baby slightly forward before you start burping them. What do I do if my baby won't burp? If, after a few minutes of winding, your baby hasn't had a burp, then change positions and try again. This may be all that's needed to get the wind up. Thanks for watching.